Hello everyone. I'm just checking the sound, music and video settings. Baha, hello. Just checking the last sound settings and video settings. It will take a few minutes, so after that we will start flashing. Can we check my CodinGame problem? Maybe later, Dejavu, not right now. Xmod, yes, Sunflow, welcome. Okay. The sound seems okay. I hope the music is okay also. The video resolution is 720 pixel with 60 frames per second. Okay. Sample, maybe I will create some maybe like starting stream or end stream kind of short videos, maybe, I don't know. But since I usually rate some other streamers, probably streaming in programming also, I don't lost it suddenly, I think. I mean, because there's a rating bar, as you know, in the chat. So after that kind of seconds later, we will rate to this channel. But I don't know. Maybe I need to create some intro and outro, as you said. Okay, let's create a private clash. Everything seems right so far, and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link. Woo Tour, welcome. Woo Tour, thanks for the follow also. Welcome to stream. Hello, hello. Okay, we are now 3 people in the first clash. Maybe we complete both our goals, follower goals for 1000 and subscription goals for total 5. Imadostos, hello. Please resend the link. Sure, I just copied the link and paste it to chat again. Okay, we are now 5 people. AKK, welcome. Zeponir, welcome. Oh, okay. No. Oh, I can sub. That's nice. It's an easy one, I think, as a start. It's fun, difficulty, easy, and test case ideal. AKK, Rafa, Imad, Zeponer was also solved. Bum, 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 bum. Tron School, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Tron School, we are solving CodinGame Clash of Code problems. So what is CodinGame? CodinGames basically means a programming website, so you can choose a lot of different type of questions. For example, like you can practice, you can compete with the Clash of Code style, and also there's a bot programming questions also. So that means there's a learn tab also as well. I mean, you can read some articles also. Skydreamer, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. We are solving Clash of Code problems. What is Clash of Code? Clash of Code means that more than one people can create something like room, and a lot of people join that room and try to solve the same problem in 15 minutes. I mean, CodinGame supports a lot of programming languages. For example, there is a drop down in the menu, so probably if you are familiar with some kind of programming language, they will support probably, and you have to solve this problem in 15 minutes. So there is also test cases that gives you by the system, and your code should pass all the test cases if you want to try to get 100% score, as you see here. That means, for example, this AKK code run all the test cases and it passed all the test cases. That means it has 100% score, which is solved in 39 seconds and which is solved with using Python 3. Nice. Online or friend private website. I mean, we try to create in stream. For example, outside stream, there is also public clashes, so you can join and try to solve the other people who join in the website. But we create private clashes. That means I have the link, the private clash, so I can. Always I paste it to chat, so people can join from that link in the chat and try to solve the same problems in 15 minutes. Unflow, thank you. Happy Republic King. Manu Labaka, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, Sunflow and Dejavu and Ludovsky and also Salt. Voodoo is the one, I don't know, low reverse. Okay, you can check, for example, Ludovsky code or any other people who solve this Python 3. There are a lot of people who uses Python, by the way, in their clashing. Greetings from Chile. Hello, welcome. Okay, that's nice. I mean, it was an easy problem to, as a first one at least. So, for example, I start a private clash here, and I just copy the link and paste it to chat. So you can still join with that link if you want. I mean, this is the concept when I usually stream in CodinGame. I create private clashes. I just copy the link from the to the chat. And people join with that link whenever they want, unless the clashes starts. On the reverse, not probably. I mean, we warming up for a few on the reverse maybe, and then we choose all of them. I don't like, honestly, I mean shortest one, because some of the programming languages have a real advantages for the shortest one, like Ruby or Python. But I mean, if you want, we can select all of them. So let the system decide. Okay, we are now 7 people here. This one was pretty easy, but yeah, I mean, this one's really, really easy. Wouter, maybe if you practice with reverse modes, then maybe you have to stop overthinking. I don't know. Destroy Jam, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. So we have 500, 200, 20, 10, and 2. Oh, and 0.1. Oh, okay. Tamatatu, hello. Thanks. How is your day going? Okay. Through in school, you can still learn programming. I mean, there's no magic bullet, as I always say. I mean, you can check, for example, Code Academy and Khan Academy websites, or Free CodinGame YouTube channel. I mean, there are a lot of great resources to learn programming in these days. And then you can come back to learn the basics of the specific programming languages, and then come here and practice with us. This is the best way to improve your programming language practices. how many? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 coins, I think. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6. That should be 200. And 20, 10. And 10. And 2 and point and a half. No, Telenos, I mean that's okay. You can complete right in English. Sorry, in Turkish also. That's completely okay. I will respond to you in probably in English, but I mean I always try to help no matter what. So you can ask any questions, whatever you think. 2 and 2 and half and half. Oops, okay, I'm not going to type doubled float. Okay. So I have to write only the last one as a pound, but I don't need to write properly at least, so I can add as a output. So let me check they are 0 or not. Could we create a list here, for example? Let's not add as a string interpolation. Oh, what is the first? Oh, count is the first. Yeah. So I need to do this for all of them. What a terrible code did I write? Schindler, hello. Oh, that's very nice to hear. I mean, well, she does a canticle. Wow, that's nice. Congratulations, man. After all, I console write all of them string that join with comma, right? Comma and space list plus there's a at the end there is a found character. Okay, let's play all test cases. Oops, found impossible. Aha. But still studying on C. I mean, that's okay. Okay, neither 0. Let's try this one. Shotley, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. What did I wrong here? Oh, that sucks. Oh shit. No, I should. Try this one, for example. Andrei Maraska, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Let's try this one. Okay, so casting them to int at least give you the right results. This code probably have unnecessary things, a lot of unnecessary things. Let's play all test cases. Oops, I failed the last one. What did I wrong here? No, I should not test here like that. That is nice. Oh, I can submit it. Okay, AKK, EMATS, Wutur has already solved. I mean, it's quite fun. I like this kind of questions. Difficulty, I think it's perfect, and test case relevancy is ideal, so I can submit it. Theranos, I work in Akbank, which is in Istanbul. Start a private clash with us. Sure, we already doing solving private clashes, Andre. Just try to wait for other people also so they can complete. There's only less than 1 minute, so we start to create a new one after it. Okay, Ludovsky has also sold. Metele, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, only a few seconds left. Oh my goodness, maybe we can reach the 1000 followers in this stream. Who knows? Okay, the clash is complete right now. I mean, it's kind of probably a long way to write all of them. And let's check AKK's code. So he writes all the bases is an array. Oh, there is a div mode, right? I mean, it's very handy functionality, by the way, in Python. I mean, that is nice. That's really nice usage. So if their count is not 0 or not for all of them, at least if it's not possible to write with these bases, write impossible. If it is not, so he will join with that string, so or with that element in answer array. Yeah, div mode function has a lot of I mean, C# doesn't have such functionality as far as I know, but in Python there's a really good way to solve a lot of problems, by the way. CC Yarnar, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, Sanflo, at least if you understand the question, I mean, yeah, sometimes the time is limited, so some of the problems may not easily solved in 15 minutes. But if you understand the question and if you understand how to solve it, I mean, that's the most important case, I think. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. Just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Architector, Miracle, Asparex, Andrei, Zeponir, Ludovsky, and Hydreamer, Vutor, and AKK, which is 10 people right now. Oh, this kind of questions. Okay. What is the length of this? 3, 6, and 9. So there is a 9 length. Okay. Okay, there's a muffin people. We should write. Um, zero, and these are the first and last rows. No, I shouldn't write like that. I mean, that's very easy with this one, just plus new string. Nine times plus 0. So how many lines? Oh no, that's not the case here. I still should write this. Oh, okay. Okay. 0. How many times with n times? Plus 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, and plus this is the same for the rest of them. Oh, a lot of people over the salt. That's nice. And so I should write, first of all, I should write is 0 e less than n e plus plus. That means I write all of them as the first and last lines in a loop here, and copy the link and paste here. So Pamphilo, you're okay? You didn't drop yourself, right? So I should write for all of them like 1, oops, 1, 2, 3, that's better. And how many lines? Oh, there is also, oh, there's also this line here. Oops. Are they the same line? Yes. One, two, three lines more. 1, 2, 3, and oops, I shouldn't write. I should write this line. Oh, I should escape also. Okay, this seems correct. Let's play all test cases. I have a mistake in where and this one. Yeah, that's right. So I can submit it. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of people already solved. Yeah, I mean, you can use, for the muffin part, you can use copy paste, and the other lines you have to calculate some for the input, given input lines. Yep, Andre, I already escaped the slash characters. It's an escape sequence character for C based language, which is C# is. Deja Vu, Ludowski, AKK, Zeponir, Wutur, Aspharex, Andrea, Miracle, Skydreamer has already solved. Architecture and Sunflow. Sunflow, you're okay by the way? You said you dropped your chair. Oh, okay, that's great. Ilkines 01, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Sunflow has already solved, only architecture is still clashing. Kerem, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Can you do it with Python? No, I'm not a Python programmer. You're a beginner and know how to code. And there are a lot of people solved in Python, as you can see here. I mean, if there are some basic knowledge, you can still join the link. From the link, I always paste it to chat when I start the private clash. But if you don't know any of the, for example, like some basic math calculations, for example, like formatting and string manipulations, like for example, I don't know, using some hash map and hash dictionary, using some basic structures, data types, I suggest you to learn from beginner as a Python course. Maybe you need to take some Python courses. For example, as far as I know, FreeCodeCamp has a really good Python course in their YouTube channel. I mean, a lot of hours. I think it will take probably more than 4 or 5 hours. And let's check the Code Academy and Khan Academy have a nice Python courses. There are also free courses in Udemy as well. I mean, you can check all of them. There are a lot of resources. Okay, architecture is also solved in C. That's nice. All people have solved it as a perfect way. That's cool. I mean, it was a easy question. It's kind of fun, and test case 11 is ideal. Let me submit it. Okay, let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. I think I need to watch more before joining. Okay, whatever you want. But if you join the clash and even if you can solve, there are a lot of people solves in Python, so you can check their code as well. I mean, if you write in chat, I will check also and for you. We are now 11 people right now. Ravis, hello. If you want to join, I pasted chat the link again. Okay, Sunflow, you can submit your question if you have to eat. That sucks. Maybe I should write here as a timespan constructor here. In the inputs are there? No. I should write only here. New timespan. Let that split as the first one. Second one, and as a third one. Let's play all these cases. True? Really? Oh, there are overflows maybe when you add more than 24 hours. James Harris, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So using timespan here as an addition. That might be the problem, maybe. In test 2 and test 3, if there's some will be create more than 24 hours. How does timespan at work? It will overflow when more than 24 hours. But the return value is a new timespan. Oh, okay. Then total is total timespan C. That is nice. That's nice. Oh, I can submit it. Okay, as far as Phantom, Skydreamer, AKK, Zapaner has already sold. Bluetour has already sold. CSGO, only if you wanna share your code, we can check your code. It's only 50%. Miracle has already sold. Okay, Farhat, Andre, and still clashing. One flow left as far as I can see. Yeah, Phantom, that's a nice emoji. Inji, hello, welcome. Take a look at Asparix code, sure. Oops, Farhat has also sold in Kotlin. Oh, that's nice. He split all the with that character and calculate as how many seconds in that time interval. So I checked all their total, and if they are if that given value is bigger or equal than b, which is the right as a true or false. T plus equal instead of t plus equal. T, what is b here? All right, yeah, I mean, you're right, I should be t. Yeah, just the luck, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, I see. It should be t plus equal, not t plus. That's nice. Okay, only the Andre left here. He didn't reinitialize B to 0. That means the difference is always greater than the number of minutes. One lakh divided by 10,000, yeah. And Andreas sold in 25%. I want to do in C, but not enough time. That's nice. All the people has already solved. I mean, it's a fun question. I think difficulty was perfect and test case ideal. So I can submit it. Okay, Sunflow was on the dinner, I think, or lunch. Okay, Okay, let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. And I just copy the link and paste it to chat. Andrea, the given time difference is bigger or equal to some of all the other ones. If it is that, you need to print true. If it is not, you need to print false. Okay, we are already 6 people here. If the sum of all the times below the first one that is less than the first one is true. Exactly. In order to win the clash, do you need to code in Python or Ruby? What? You ordered? That's weird. KK has already joined. No, I don't need. I don't need this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 3, 4. Ah. So how many repetition in here? One, this one, this one, and this one. Oh, you need to open that first, so all the other ones are closing. How many closing ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I mean, how many open ones here? 1, 2, and 3. So that means like this one, and it's that one trim, and that character I should trim at the end. So after writing this, yeah, the rest of them are completely in for loop for I is 0, e less than, and e plus plus. So I should write 3 and e bigger than n, e bigger than 0, e minus minus. So also right line. I join with string with white space. What? Will repeat. With that, how many times? With n times. Yeah. Oh no, but plus how many empty space I should create here? Let's try this one and see how we can fix this. Oops. I mean that's not 3, this is an n. Expected. Okay. Oh, the empty space also here calculated with n. Not with n times, with I times. Okay, I should iterate this one and this one. How many? But with all of them starting with they always start with an empty string. Okay, let's write it properly. There are 3 empty spaces, but all of them. I should join. This one and edit an empty string. Start and end. Display all test cases. Oh, there are still miscalculation here. Why? Because there are because the separator will be through the string since it's more than one character. Yeah, I failed with that one. So how to 1 2 or this one 1 2 3 4 character, and then there's a 6 character here. Counter. Zero. Counter. 2. Send. I should join here how many that character as a empty space. String with counter plus with that string. Let's try this one. Perfect. That's all the test cases. That's nice. Whew. Dioso, welcome. Yes, my eye is descending from the end to 0. Okay, KK salt, Miracle salt, Andre salt. This question that came to me 2 days ago. Did you solve it, Yaso? I mean. No. Okay, you can check. For example, there is no JavaScript. Andre, if I remember, you solved in JavaScript, right? You write in JavaScript, if I remember, or Kotlin. Which one? The Kotlin? Yeah, maybe the Kotlin. You usually write. Okay, I'm giving 1 minute break, guys. By the way, I will be back in 1 minute. Okay, I will back. There's only 1 minute left. It was fun, I think. I really like this kind of questions. Difficulty is perfect and SK's relevancy is ideal. Let's check how miracles solve this. 4 times minus 1. Oh, there is a correlation 4 times minus 1. Oh, that's nice. For E range in n to 0 and increase minus 1. Print join with that one. What does center do here exactly? Width. What is the width here? Oh, it centers the given width within as a string. I think what it does is add spaces on the side. Maybe given the total width, it centers the given string. I don't know. But it fits perfectly in the center. Center centers, it's given the total size of space. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's very nice. Andrea has also solved. Okay, that's nice. Red strip removes spaces on the right of the line. Okay, now I understand. Okay, let's back to home and let's start a private clash and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat so you can still the link in the chat. Okay, we are now 11 people. don't need this one. Have to remove that and get the tool over. So this is near this string. Let's start at city name, and here I think I should check for each item in city, not items, in city list. If item, if the currency, all the characters that's this one to lower contains and can I check for another? No, I shouldn't check, at least this is right, also not right line. Okay, let's play all these cases. What? Oh, I write it of the opposite. This should be uncleared city name, and this should be city. And what will I write? Yeah, well, test cases. Oops. The link, okay, sure. I copy the link and pass it to chat again. What did I missing? Forward, lower. Not in test 2. There's a Tokyo, but found Kyoto. What am I missing here? Ducker Ignore, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Original list names, roof spaces and lowercase too. But I write it from the original list. So I don't need to, I shouldn't remove the, for example, New York has a white space also. I was confused what those first inputs were. Those are the clean names and you have to pick the correct one exactly. Kyoto and Tokyo. That's weird. I mean, it should pass the test case also. Yep, right. The 100%. I don't know why it shouldn't pass at the first one, first time in test cases, but I don't know. Okay, Asparex, AKK, Miracle, Zaponier, Bluetooth, TomTom has already solved. Okay, Sergey is already solved. I think it's quite fun. Difficulty is perfect and test accuracy is ideal. Charm as a 40%. Holding go. Okay. Okay, there are only architecture and phantom left. How many minutes? We have 3 minutes more. Okay, only 2 minutes left. Sergey, you working on Yandex, as you written in your profile. How was the feeling working for Yandex? I mean, it's quite fun. It's normal. Can you please share, for example, your experience in Yandex? I'm really curious about the actual idea, working environment and the company culture. Maybe if it's okay to share, I mean, it would be great to hear from your experiences. Architecture has already solved. Okay, Clash is ending right now. So when it will be completed. Big Phantom is also waiting for, yeah, now Clash is complete. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private Clash and let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link. We are now 6 people already. Hey, where are the other people? I mean, are they left already? That sucks. Chess TV, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Okay. Take this. Hope not. Bum, bum. Yep. Calculate as a lower. That report string, so let me take that as a lower. No. For each I should write, I think unless there's a string and there for each var as in report set with white space if list contains not lower. That means I need to mark it. I need to mark it. Is that add? S0 plus new string. How many times? S dot length minus 2 plus and S dot length minus 1. This elf. If it is not, I should tell that add as this. After for all the here, after check all the separated words in that one, so I should write them as a space separated in that join with L. I think this should work. Let's play all test cases. Oops. Argument out of range could not be less than 0.28. Aha. Lower and split with that one. So it should be a string list right now, string array at least. So I should write it here as a contains a lower. Yeah, that should be right. Perfect. So I can submit it. It's quite fun. Difficulty is perfect. Test case relevancy is ideal, so I can submit it. Ooh. Oh, miracle, and Wooter has also solved. Okay, we have 8 minutes left right now. Can I have the link? Good afternoon though. Welcome Algebra. Sure, you can have the link. I just tested to chat again. Is the problem difficult? No, I mean, even I can solve this in almost 5 minutes. You can probably easily solve it. Okay, Tom also solved, Sergey also solved. There are still 4 people still clashing. Oh, Algebra also joined. Link, sure, I pasted to chat. Slytherin, welcome. It is how many minutes left? 4 minutes left. Remy Girard, welcome. I made a merge sort visualizer yesterday. Oh, that's nice. That seems nice. Okay, only 3 minutes left right now. John has also joined. Oh, thanks, Wouter. I mean, I really like lofi music also. I mean, it's quite relaxing and very nice in concentration, I think. I really like it. I mean, it's enjoyable, it's relaxing. I always like it. Yeah, it's good for programming also, exactly. But you also like hardstyle and hardcore, oh. Okay, there's only 1 minute left right now. A simple problem, I will wait for the next one. Okay. Okay, now the clash is complete, so the results are pending. Yeah, one architecture solved in 25%, the rest of them couldn't solve this. Okay, I mean, if I try to solve this, I mean, and when the given input, I split with white spaces, for example, as a list. So for all the strings that I split it with white space and take all the list with the given list contains with the lowercase of that string. That means I have to mark it, and marking, I will take the first character and I will take the last character and the between the first and last characters, and I will print star, which is s dot length to -2, which is this one, and this one counts. If it is not, if it doesn't list contains list in the current in the beginning string, I added that list with itself. Doesn't without any markup solutions. And after every iteration, I will concatenate with the list strings with white space, so as I write it for the one line solution. Perfect, I just broke all the attendant. Okay, that's nice. I think it's a quite nice question. I really like this kind of questions. Okay, let's back to home and let's start private clash and let's start a new one. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat, so I can still join with that link in the chat. Avikrit, welcome. First time I see you here, I think. By the way, who are in the chat? Art John, version 2, welcome. Artius, 2, welcome. Brett, welcome. FVMH97, welcome. Julimio, welcome. I read, fantastic, welcome. And who are the other people? Masaki, welcome. Melon, welcome. Miracle CG, welcome. M Sudeep 24, welcome. Nihahaha, welcome. Who are in the chat, by the way, other than these? Radiance, welcome. Revik, welcome. Who are in the chat? Riotkus and Fountains and the other ones. V and K, welcome. Yokori, welcome, and Virgo Pros, also welcome. Can you spell logic in your code when you finish? Okay, I will do it in the next time. Sure, I can do this, Phantom. So even if I try to someone's code for other people's, so I will check it. Also, you just need to write the chat so I can reply always. Oh, that's nice one, I think. Wow, asphoric salt already. I can't even think of any of this. So in Python, I think, if I remember correctly, there is a package called somewhat, and it's somewhat called combination. If I remember correctly, there's a combination package, maybe somehow called. But in C# there is no such a functionality. How can I calculate all the combinations with the given length in a string? Yeah, it hurt my brain too, exactly. I mean, I probably can't even solve this one. Halt, thanks for the follow, welcome to the stream. Can I join and play with you? Sure, I will pass the link to chat, so you can still join with that link. Maybe you probably, I don't know honestly, sometimes CodinGame lets you to join in a private clash after you started. Sometimes they don't, I mean, I'm not sure you can join. And you can try at least with that link in the chat. We are, oh my goodness, we are now 999 followers. We only have one follower to reach 1000. And 2 subscribers for next 22 hours. John has also solved his Python. Uncleared, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Hint, sure, I mean, why not? You can give us a hint if you want. Yeah, all the solvers except Uncleared is a Python solvers. Yeah, itertools, exactly. That was the package in Python, itertools, yeah. Now I remembered. Subsequences, yeah, I mean... Oh, maybe. No. Sure, yeah, uncleared, we understand it. Sort of subcases of car length. But Programmero, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. But how to write this properly? I think you have to do it recursively without turtles, maybe, but let's think var list in is new. I probably so for var so what is the use backtracking. Var I is 1 older length I plus plus. Okay then, so for var j is 0, which is j less than s length minus I, j plus plus so I have to print. I start this, but that was my starting point and that was my ending point. So I need to write from that character var current is empty string var x is j plus s dot length minus 1. So I have to no. Yes, for var k is 0, k less than x, k plus plus, and current plus equal with that what was the s a let's say a here. So I have to after that list at current and now if current dot length is equal k, oops, I couldn't write it in time, then add the list, and after the for each loop unity console dot write line no, I write as a Ah, I couldn't complete in time. I use some backtracking exactly. I mean, I calculate exactly all the substrings possible, and I can only add my list if the current substring is that given length. Yeah, but I couldn't make it in time. Okay, asparix is the first one solver. Yeah, combinations. That's an easy one. Aspirin, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, but probably Avicrit as also solved. There's a backtracking, I think, this one. Subsequence, calculate all the subsequences with that length. Yep, there's a recursive calculations for all that length subsequences. Combination import in here, I think from itertools is a package, I think, and import you can some functionality like trace all unique combinations. Not unique. Okay, John has also solved in itertools combinations, which is the Slytherin. Okay. Wutur, Miracle, Hack solved, and Algebra also solved in Python. Yeah. Okay, let's create a new one then. Let's create a back to home. And let's start our private flash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Mr. Quark, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. LTK is also joined. Stefanovic, this is the first time I saw you here. Welcome. Ninjo, welcome. Probably you are the first timer also. Sunbi, welcome. Oh, you are the ninja programmer. Okay. We are now 16 people here. Paranoid Androided dude, welcome. Asparex is also joined. Yep, that was an easy one. I mean, probably everyone can solve this. Fun, difficult, I think it's too easy. I mean, it's too easy, not too easy, maybe easy, I can say, and ideal. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of clashers right now. John, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. You guys solved that too fast. Yeah, I mean it was quite easy if you have at least a little bit experience with solving this kind of questions, honestly. Yep, algebra, exactly. 27 characters solution, really? Which one? There is no criteria for, since it's a reverse mode. Asparagus, maybe? 27? Might be, I mean. That's nice. Niyugi, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, everybody can solve this one. And only 4 people left. Have we crit 20%? Really? Yeah, it's really short in most languages, exactly. Have we crit? What happened? I mean... In C++ maybe there's a somewhat different, at least maybe something you need to check. What is TLA? I was getting TLA. Too late maybe? I don't know. Ninja is already solved. And there are only 2 people left, Sean and Phantom. Oh, I was getting time limited execute. Oh, really? That's weird. For a C++, I mean, that wouldn't be that hard to calculate from hexadecimal version to decimal version. I mean, Stefanovic, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oh, there are a lot of clashers. That's very nice. You can maybe check if Tombi or Ninja share their code. They write in, looks like they're writing in C++ also. Are there any C++? Yeah, architecture maybe is solved in C++ also. You can check their codes, for example. Phantom 0%, you need to check, you can check the other people who solved in Python. For example, the first one is also Python. Also Sean has a 20%. That's weird, I mean. Saudex, it's finished. The clash is complete. So let's I think everyone understand, but I don't know how can you convert it in C++. Might be, I mean, other people are also converted in C++, then they don't get any time limit execute. Okay, let's copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Oh, you could just see out decimal to x. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Oops. Oops. Happened. Okay, we are now 18 people right now. That's nice. G Hunter, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. The Ukrainian, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay. So no, I should not like this one. Shouldn't use here. Armand Horning, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream. DG Nicole, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the stream. With only and to string for each var in a var current. This one, if as count matter is not at one if as contains okay letter not letter that count bigger than 0 so that means there is an exclamation mark or other characters in there, so that string I think only the at and yeah, I mean current plus equal as that's not length -1 plus there's a white space after all this and results plus equal current, and when I write this, because probably there's an extra white space at the end, I should trim and result trim and yeah, this should work. Let's play all these cases. Oh my goodness, at the first time. I really like when my code works in the first time. I mean, it's such a good feeling. My code, when I write code, it won't work at the first time usually, but sometimes here it works. I mean, it was a really nice feeling. Okay, Arcan has already sold, Heltec, LTK, Embraxtor, and Sergey has already sold. That's nice. I think it's quite fun. I really like this kind of questions. Difficulty is perfect and test case relevancy is ideal. Any hint on what the numbers represent? The numbers represent pins when separated space, the word length of the character count, which is odd length and even length. For even length, I think what should we do? Yeah, for an even length, we should add 0. For an odd length characters, but only letters. Lettenberg, sure, but only letters, not any other characters. For odd length, you have to write 1 and leave the other all non-letter characters as it is. Sure, I can explain at the end of the clash, Lettenberg, don't worry. Okay, Talat has also sold. Stefanovic sold, that's nice. I know what's the answer by Atel King Count. Okay, no worries, no worries. We are now 43 viewers. That's very good. Welcome all. Music is really good, yeah, I mean, it's a lo-fi music. And I really like it when I try to relax myself and maybe it's I need to focus on something. I really like this kind of music actually. Omega Nitrozeus, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Architecture sold in 50%, okay. Okay, there are only 2.5 minutes left. Pins also solved as a 100%. Okay, 1.5 minutes left only. Link please. NEP only the 1 minute left. I mean, you probably couldn't even solve it in probably 1 minute. I mean, it's not that kind of easy. Maybe for the other questions. Okay, Anurag has already solved. That's nice. I mean, we have a lot of clashers today. That's very good. Yep, clash is ending in 5 seconds. And the clash is complete. Nice. Let's check all the people here. Are there any fully solid? Let's check. PC count and paranoid also still maybe a bit the clashing. Yeah. I mean, okay, let me explain why my solution. Let me make it somewhat bigger. You can see properly. And I split the current string for white spaces, so it should do an array. For example, I create a result string, which is the that will be printed as a result as an output. So after the every item iteration, I will create a current string. If the current string here with iteration string here is even number of letters, that means I have to add 0. If not, that means it has odd length letters, which is I add current one. And also if there is a not letter character, which is for example dot or question mark, that means I have to add it's always and at the end of the string. So I take the last character and add it as a space after it. And after doing all the string combinations, I added that current string to my result string here. So after the calculating all the strings which is separated by white space here, and I just trim the end, because for the last iteration, that for this one, it has an extra white space at the end, and that's why I console.writeLine, which is result.trim end method, and removes the last white spaces. Yeah, I mean, that was my solution. I mean, you might have a different kind of solution, which is nice, but this is the first thing that comes to my mind, and which is quite clear, I think. Not too many not too many hard to read, and easy, and it looks like simple to me. I hope I will explain it clearly also. So, okay, and oh my goodness, there are a lot of joiners right now. So, Archeon, Heltic, Umbroth, Umbra, Torx, Sergey, and Talat, Stefanovic, Pins, Anurax, Architecture, Tambi, Sadex, Waxter, Phantom, Avikrit, Count, Ninja, Paranoid, T-Touch, and Wooter. Thank you so much, by the way. Thank you so much. Let's call it for today. I mean, it's almost 3 hours, and I'm a little bit tired, honestly. How was the stream, by the way? Let you give me your opinions. I mean, let's check also my social accounts here. If you wanna follow on Twitter, on my YouTube channel, which also creates a lot of programming related content in here. Thank you, that's great. It's nice to hear, man. I really appreciate that. Also, if you want to support my channel, I mean, I really appreciate that to subscribe my channel as well. If you have, for example, Amazon Prime, you can easily subscribe for every month for a free. Poor guy that waited the next round. Yeah, I mean, sorry about that. Who was that? Neem Pigs. I mean, sorry about that, but after almost 3 hours, I'm a little bit tired, honestly. Seems always about it would be cool if you call the last round beforehand so that everyone knows what's up. Okay, I mean, I will probably do the next time also. Yeah, I mean, thank you for all. I mean, thank you for joining me today. I will be probably stream in 3 hours later, which is 6 p.m. right now in Turkish local time. I will probably stream 9 p.m. or 9:30 again. Oh, that's nice, Sean. That's nice to hear. Pins, thank you so much for joining me today as well. And yeah, I mean, as I said, if you want to support my channel, you can always subscribe it with, as you know, with Twitch Prime also, or a normal way. Phoenix Rahul, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So I will rate David again. By the way, he is doing some Vim kind of Python, Go, JSON, Postgres rewriting plus test-driven development, doing such that, and send him to our love. And thank you so much for again. I mean, you guys are the best, honestly. It's great to stream with you, all of you. As I said, I will probably be back in 3 hours, so thank you so much for all, and have a great day. See you.
Come on first. Now I should have a message here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Sonar Granule, welcome, developers. What's going on? What's going on, everyone? I haven't seen you here before, Sonar Granule. What were you streaming today? What were you working on? Us over here, we're doing a little bit of a Python to Go project for our chatboard economy here. But I haven't seen you before. What were you guys working on over there? Welcome. If you haven't been here before, if you join in the chat, you'll get access to your first sound effect. I'll be interns. Start making your websites right away. So just, you know, join the chat and we'll get you make a website made right away. Interns, get ready. Everyone, get your fingers ready, okay? Okay, so let's go back here. Luthenberg, thank you for the follow. Like the Hydra. They take one down, it'll pop more 100%. 100%. Okay, let's do another check right here. I'm going to say make sure that we have commands now. I expect to get back commands here. And we did not get a command back. I think this will pass. It does pass. It's taking a little bit longer as I'm adding. There's a sleep there. Now, will I get back a chat message here? I think I should here. Hey, is that open source project? Everything I do is always open source. It has to be open source. It's the law. You can't write code and then you can't just write code and not make it open source. It's illegal here. If you do Git, this is taken in my GitHub and my GitLab. Everything used to be on GitHub. We're moving over to GitLab. This particular project right here is called Vegan Sounds here. And then there's two main projects here. Chat Beef and Vegan Sounds is the general things that run most of our chat economy and all the wacky stuff that are happening here. There's a couple of little projects mixed in there too. You can't program with the source closed. If the source is closed, how's the code going to work? You know what I mean? How's the code going to work here? You know, this too shall pass. Beautiful art, man. Beautiful. With the YouTube DL, this too shall pass. Damn, bro, is that actually your voice? No, no. What we've done here is I've been working on for the past year or so